Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are answering a common question. Can you use Coinbase without a social security number SSN? The short answer is yes, but with limitations. You can create a Coinbase account without an SSN, but you won't have access to all of its features. Coinbase is a regulated exchange, so it usually requires identity verification with an SSN or another government issued ID to comply with financial regulations. Without completing verification, your account may have restrictions on buying, selling, trading, and withdrawing crypto. You'll also miss out on features like Coinbase Earn and the Coinbase Card. If privacy is your main concern, you can look into other crypto platforms with different verification requirements, but always research them carefully before signing up. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.